Hi guys, how are we doing? A little bit of a different one today. We're going to unbox this SumUp 3G mobile card reader. We just recently bought one. The main reason I'm doing this video is to show you what's in the box and to tell you how to get a discount, which is simple. I missed mine, so hopefully it's not too late for you, but just go into the descriptions, follow the link, and you will be taken through to the SumUp page with the discounts automatically applied, and they are pretty decent discounts, so hopefully it's not too late for you guys and you go for a discount on your unit. This one is the 3G model, primarily designed to work as an independent unit, no phone required. It's got a SIM card in it, no contract, transaction fees are very reasonable. Once you've set up your details online, this is, but you'll see by the end of this video, pretty much ready to go. From the second you turn it on, it comes with a bit of charge in it. You can take a card reading within 4 or 5 minutes. It will take contactless, chip and pin, most of the major cards including Google Pay and Apple Pay, so it's going to be a really good solution for us, and hopefully it will be for you guys too. So if you found the video helpful, give us a like. If you're just here for the SumUp, then I hope it helps. If you're not subscribed already and you want to see more from us, please hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, I hope you find this helpful. If I can answer any questions in the comments, I'll try my best. So fire away. And if not, enjoy the discount and see you again soon.